Hi, my name is Melissa. We actually met up with a couple of ID firms before deciding to engage Candy from Jialux Interior. She is able to provide professional advice that suit our needs. We were looking for industrial concept. Candy actually introduced a dark wooden element to create a modern sophistication look. We wouldn't have thought that the renovation journey would be such a fun and enjoyable experience. We love how the space was planned effectively to incorporate the island table, connecting the open concept kitchen to the living room. Another favorite part of our house is the casement wardrobe, built to include the dressing table. We would definitely recommend Jialux Interior as they are a reputable company that provides transparent quotations, reasonable pricing, and excellent workmanship that goes beyond expectation. Thank you once again for making our dream home come true. Thank you, Jialux. Thank you, Candy.